This dish is considered the national dish of the Philippines. Each Filipino home claims to have the best adobo recipe. Alam mo, adobo naman, madali naman lutuin talaga yan eh. Key to making a very simple adobo, actually in any dish, is preparation. So, what you want to do is get a nice, simple, doable recipe. At saka ang gawin niyo is you cut it into serving portions. Etong mga ingredients ko, I've arranged it in such a way, yung simplicity. So I've cut the pork into cubes, yung chicken, yung mga pieces, and then I've arranged it in sequence of use. So meron akong vinegar, meron akong toyo, may bawang, meron tayong Maggi oyster sauce, meron tayong tubig, whole peppers, itong chicken liver natin, bay leaf, at saka meron tayong Maggi liquid seasoning, at saka of course yung magic sarap natin. So, ang gagawin natin is maghahalo muna tayo ng vinegar. And then meron tayong toyo. So, double amount, let's say 1 cup of vinegar, half a cup of toyo. Yun ang version ko. Bawang, itong crushed bawang na ito, maraming bawang. Enjoy na enjoy tayo dito. And what you wanna do is mag-iwan kayo ng konting bawang kasi gagawin natin, pwede natin i-chop ito at i-deep fry, tatap natin dun sa ating adobo. Now, gagawin natin, lagyan natin itong ating oyster sauce ng Maggi. Okay? So, mga 2 teaspoons itong Maggi liquid seasoning with garlic. Marami mga varieties yan. Ano? Ito, lagyan natin yung ating tubig. Okay. Tapos, ilagay natin itong ating whole peppercorns. Lagay natin itong ating laurel or bay leaf. Each adobo recipe, like I say, each Filipino household has their own secret. This is mine. Maggi Magic Sarap. Okay. Siguradong masarap itong recipe natin. Ako personally, I like to mix all the ingredients first before I add in my pork. Yung pork cubes natin, no? Tapos lagyan natin itong ating chicken. Ako, ang ginagawa ko is I just used my best cut of chicken sa akin. Yung chicken tayo, yun yung may dark meat. So, yun ang pinakamasarap para sa akin. Then, ilagay natin itong ating chicken liver. Okay. Ito magbibigay ng kakaibang lasa dito sa ating dish na ito. And then, kung kaya mong i-marinate for about 1 hour, perfect, no? Ang gagawin natin is tanggalin natin to ating chicken muna. Set aside natin. Kasi, tandaan niyo ang chicken mas mabilis maluto kaysa sa pork. Ang kailangan natin gawin is we have to tenderize the pork. Okay? So, what you want to do is remove the chicken thigh. Tapos, ang gagawin natin is palalambutin natin itong mixture na to. We will cover this. Sa bahay ninyo, mayroon mas maliit na mga cover, no? And the reason for that is we want to tenderize the meat. The smaller the cover, the less air circulation, the more matetenderize yung meat. Because what we're doing here is we're breaking the connective tissues of the pork para lumambot siya. Now, if you have a pressure cooker, go ahead and use that. Some people say, oh, may difference in taste and everything. Personally, I can't tell the difference. So if you use a pressure cooker to tenderize the pork, for example, is that you want to start counting yung time of 20 minutes, for example, the moment you hear that first hiss, then you lower the heat. Actually, walang standard recipe ng adobo. Like I mentioned, each household or Filipino household has a recipe of adobo. I've tried a adobong puti in Cebu. Sarap. So, kanya-kanyang recipe. Now, balikan natin tong ating pork na ito. Now that it's nice and tender, what you want to do is add in our chicken. Okay? Like I mentioned, my favorite cut of chicken is chicken thigh. If you want to make this a little healthy, then you remove the skin, no? And don't forget, if you want your adobo to be tostado or dry, ang gagawin niyo is you remove the cover and let that sauce evaporate. Or some people even fry it para mas tostado yung malutong, no? And don't forget to top it with mga chopped fried garlic. If you want it saucy naman, you just leave the cover on. Now, don't forget, napakasimple nitong recipe. The key really is to be prepared. In anything you do in the kitchen, before cooking, have all the ingredients pre-portioned, arranged according to sequence of use. Okay, pagluto na itong ating dish, ang gagawin natin is, patayin natin yung apoy. At kung akala nyo masarap na itong dish na ito, papasarapin pa natin lalo ito. Lalagyan natin ng ating Maggi Magic Sarap. Sarap po yan. Simple lang itong recipe. Trust me, you will enjoy this. Wow. Sarap ng amoy. There you have it. Simpleng adobo. Sarap.